subscribe to my channel and press bell icon for latest updates.
Hi, welcome to Learning Monkey. I am Vikram. We'll try to solve one more example. In this video, we'll try to solve one more example. So the minimization by using the variable entrant map. In our previous video, we have clearly seen one of the example. So there we have given the function and we have converted it into three variable function, and later we have solved the variable minimization of the variable entrant map. In examinations, in GATE or your regular examination, the questions will be asked in this way. So you will be directly given with the variable entrant map, and that variable entrant map has to be minimized. So how that minimization is done is, these are the steps. And in our previous video we have just missed one of the sentence where other variables are to be converted as zeros, and the min terms and don't cares are to be write min terms. We have to write the min terms as don't cares. So this is the small statement that we have orally explained, but we haven't corrected it. So in this video, please try to correct that. If you have taken a copy of it, just correct that statement. Okay, so now coming to this example, first step is replace all the variables as zeros. So we have to replace all the variables as zeros. So we are having d and d complement, so all the variables has to be replaced as zeros. Leave min terms, zeros and don't cares as it is. So we have to leave min terms has to be left as it is, and zeros has to be left as it is, and don't cares has to be left as it is. As we don't have don't cares, so leave zeros and ones as it is. Obtain the SOP. So how to obtain the SOP? Find the subcube, and SOP for this is this one is A complement C. Okay, so now this is the first step, and the SOP that we have obtained is A complement C. The second step is select one variable. So we have to select, so among these variables we have to select one variable. We are going to select D. Later we will select D complement. So now we have selected D. Okay, make all occurrence of that variable as 1. Wherever the D occurs, make that variable as 1, and other variables as 0. So if you have any other variables, those variables has to be marked as zeros. Okay, D complement has been made zeros. And the next step is write min term as don't cares. So the min terms are to be written as don't cares. So these are the don't cares. Okay, leave zeros and don't cares as it is. We have to leave zeros and don't cares as it is. So the remaining part is this, and we have to obtain the SOP for this. What is the SOP for this? It is this one. It is going to be A C. Okay, sorry, A C complement. Okay, so this is A C complement, and next multiply the obtained SOP expression with the selected variable. What is the variable that we have selected? It is D. So we have to multiply the obtained SOP with D. So the final expression of this is going to be A complement A C complement D. Now the third step is repeat the step 2. So this step 2 has to be repeated for all the variables in the K-map. How many variables are there? We have two variables, D and D complement. Complement and the true form has to be considered as different variables. Now we have to repeat these steps for all the variables in the K-map. So this step has to be repeated to all the variables. What is the first step? First part of this step, it is the selected variable has to be replaced with 1. The selected variable has to be, we have selected D complement, it has to be replaced with 1. Other variables are to be replaced with zeros, and min terms are to be replaced with don't cares, and zeros and remaining don't cares has to be left as it is. Now we have to find the SOP. So the biggest possible subcube with the don't cares is this one. So the final solution is going to be C. And what we have to do, we have to multiply the obtained SOP expression with the selected variables. What is the selected variables? D complement. If you multiply C with D complement, it is going to be CD complement. Now we are done with all the variables in the K-map. What is the fourth step? SOP of VEM is obtained by ORing all the obtained SOP expressions. So the SOP expression that we have obtained, we have to OR them. If it is a POS expression, we have to AND them. So all the obtained product of sums expressions has to be ANDed, dot product. So we have to do the AND operation with all the expressions. So now the SOP expression is A complement C plus AC complement D plus CD complement. So this is the final minimal expression for this given variable entrant map. So these are all the examples, and this is all about variable entrant map. Hope you got the clarity on this concept. Thanks for watching. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, please subscribe to our channel and press bell icon for the latest updates. And if you have any doubts regarding this concept, please post your doubts in the comment section below.